I want to make a live stream. So how do we connect Cinamaker to the internet?
You will simply connect the iPad to the internet as you would normally. So if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, you would go find a Wi-Fi network that has internet access, connect to it, and then Cinamaker will see it. If you're using a wired network, you'll want to make sure that your wired switch is connected to some internet router so it has accessibility through that switch there.
And how do I connect the rest of the phone? So that's just for the iPad, right?
Yes, but the iPad's the only one that needs the internet connection because the iPad is actually sending the stream out. The phones and the cameras themselves, they are just connect directly to the iPad. They do not need internet connectivity, so it's pretty straightforward.
Oh, that sounds easy. So how do I test it to make sure everything's running at optimal speed? You know, the internet.
Yes. So Speed Test is a very popular app and website you can go to. Google has a speed test. You're going to want to make sure you're getting a reliable, sustainable connection to the internet. For a 720p HD stream, you're going to need a minimum of a 3 to 4 megabit sustained. For a 1080p, you'll want somewhere between a 6 and 8 megabit sustained. Sustained means it will stay above that throughout a test and not dip below that. And for live streaming, your bandwidth is most important. We also have a method inside of the app to allow you to check your stream diagnostics. So as soon as you start a live stream, we'll show you here in a moment, you can click on Stream Diagnostics and it'll show you the data that was sent, received, if there's anything in the buffer. And while looking at the diagnostics, if you see that a lot of data is getting stuck in the buffer, you've got a bad connection problem. So you'll be able to visually see it here without having to log in and check your stream.
Well, let's go ahead and check our connection so I can do this live stream.